Is your TV display acting weird? Distorted colors, painting like images, or even an upside down screen? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix might be easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to troubleshoot and repair the most common TV display problems. Welcome back to Fix Netflix, your hub for smart TV repair tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stick around for pro tips that could save you serious cash. Fix 1. How to fix TV display, abnormal problems, or TV showing weird colors. First up, let's talk about abnormal display problems. Whenever your TV shows weird colors, broken images, or strange distortion, the first thing you need is the EXV2010TMRT tool. This tool helps you test the video output of the mainboard and the TCON board. By using this, you can confirm whether the issue is in the mainboard or the TCON board. In most cases, if the problem is from the mainboard, it's usually because of a defective video processing chip, which is often built into the CPU nowadays, a faulty video processing DDR RAM, damaged SMD resistors or network type resistors, or broken circuit line loops in the mainboard. Carefully inspect the video processing section. Testing and confirming these components can prevent you from blindly replacing expensive boards. Fix 2. Chill. How to fix painting type TV display problems. Now, let's move to another common issue, the painting display problem. If your TV shows colors that look washed out, oversaturated, or painted wrong, this often means the LCD or LED screen is not properly matched with the mainboard firmware settings. Here's what you need to do. Enter the TV service mode or factory setting menu. Find the panel settings or screen settings. Adjust or change the settings so they match the actual screen installed in your TV. If the panel type is wrong in the firmware, the display will always look strange no matter how much you repair. So, this step is absolutely critical. Fix 3. Is your TV display upside down? Here's how to fix it. Have you ever seen a TV where the whole picture is flipped upside down? Yes, it happens more often than you think. This is called the upside down display problem. Some TV mainboards have a hidden mirror option inside their service mode. Steps to fix it: log in to the TV's service mode. Look for the mirror or flip display option. Turn it on or off as needed to correct the display. But what if your TV's service mode doesn't have the mirror option? In that case, you have two solutions: find and install the correct version of firmware that matches your panel orientation. Use a universal programmer to write the correct firmware directly into the mainboard. Show real shots of using a universal programmer like RT809. And if both firmware update and reprogramming fail, you might need to modify the TCON board itself to correct the image position. But that's an advanced level repair, not for beginners. So to recap: 1. Always use professional tools like the EXV2010TMRT for accurate diagnosis. 2. Match your TV panel settings properly inside service mode to fix painting problems. 3. Fix upside down screens by toggling the mirror option or updating firmware. 4. And only modify the TCON board if absolutely necessary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech lovers and DIYers, and drop your repair stories or questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching Fix Netflix, and I'll see you in the next video with more expert repair tips. Until then, happy fixing.